Here I am making my first Rolex ring. After I have chosen the size, I started bending the ring. This spoon is quite thick and tough compared to my first ring I made. Then after that I cut off the spoon and grind it. Then I did more and more circular motions to make it look like a nice and round ring according to my finger size. The more I bend, the more circular it becomes. Finally, the ring is ready to be polished. So I put on my ring sizer. Then I use some metal polish it to polish it. Once polished it looks very nice. You can see it's not so shiny, but it's rusty and it has an antique and luxury feeling to it. It fits